Hello my people, what's up? How you guys doing? On the long time, it's been a while I upload video here. So in this video we're going to talk about Bitcoin. Let's talk about Bitcoin today. Then after that we are going to talk about about this coin, TRB. Guys, this coin has been doing a great job. We make a lot of profit from this coin. I actually meet this coin at $40. From $40, I started trading this coin to this level, $122. The all-time, like, the highest rising was yet as of yesterday night. As of today midnight was $122. I took my profit at $120, and as you can see in my student group, this is my my student group. I told them, when I told them to buy the coin, you see, I told them to buy the coin and target sell at 115 or 120, and exactly we took profit at 120. At 120, everybody took profit at 120, and there's a pullback, a little pullback where I told them to do what? I told them to buy. I said already on profit. I told them to buy. Yes. Say our orders trigger. I told them to buy. Okay, yes. I told them to buy. I asked them whether they took their profit. So I told them from 120, I told them to buy back at $108, because there was a very, I'm not going to explain much. So from there, in the few minutes, like 1:30 minutes, then our order trigger. Then I told them to sell. So immediately our order trigger at 108, we was automatically in profit at 100, profit of 100. The coin moved back to, immediately the order trigger, then it moved back to 113, 114. So we was in a very great profit again. So from there, I told them to sell the profit. Let's calm down and see what will happen. Okay, see what will happen. So everybody sell and we make great profit. And from there, that, because it was midnight, so I wanted to sleep, and I don't want, because there was like day before yesterday, I slept off and I lost about almost $300 because my order did not, I set my order and I forget to sleep. I forget to cancel it or something. Then from there I slept off. So from there I told them to take their profit so that we know what will happen. And from there the coin moved back, and now it's coming back. So from here, I think it's coming to retrace from here again, because it's respecting each and every key level. What I love about this coin so much is the coin respects each and every key level that is here. The coin respects it. Okay, so from here it's coming to respect this key level again. This is where I asked them to buy. Yesterday night. Here the coin price is showing here different price on technical analysis, on trading view. Then on OKX it's showing different price. I don't know why it's like that. So if here is 104, then in OKX is 108. I don't know how it's like that. So from there, our order trigger from here, and even come down here, give a sharp rejection here, and shoot back to this level. Okay. So, but we're not going to talk about this particular coin. So from here, we're going to enter our profit here. We're going to enter here again. Our order here again. It's going to come down, hit here, it will move again, retrace, then come down. It must come back and confirm this. It's coming to come back and confirm at 108 again. So guys, and let's talk about Bitcoin. Then from there we talk about this coin. I'm going to drop about 2 or 3 videos at once. So guys, this is Bitcoin. So, and if you look at Bitcoin here, and if you look at it, somebody is calling me. Please guys, don't call me now. I'm making video. So if you look at Bitcoin here, I have a lot of line here that I draw. They are useful. Okay. So see this place here. This was July. And if you check this place right here, this was the highest rising, the previous strong resistance. That was July last year when Bitcoin rise to $31,000, right? So I was even thinking that Bitcoin is going to go down back to around $19,000. $19,000. Okay, based on my analysis then, but it wasn't up to that price. Then it started rising back. And from rising back, what happened? Now, the question in this video is, will Bitcoin enter $40,000 or $45,000? Once Bitcoin enter $40,000, then it's going to enter $45,000. We all know that. So, and you see the Bitcoin started rising and it rise back. You see this line that I draw here, this purple line that crossed down here. This was a strong resistance here, right? This line started from the all-time high. This line I draw is started from the all-time high. Okay, so we all know that once the market break structure, what is going to happen? Something is going to happen. Something great is going to happen. So as you can see, the coin Bitcoin come back here, rise here. Let me delete this because I actually fade. My eyes is fading there. Coin rise. So you see, Bitcoin started rising here at $26,000. And from $26,000, what happened? I was thinking that it's going to respect this level again, but it does not respect. And what happened? It break here and cross this line, break this strong resistance. Now, if you can see from here, starting from here, Bitcoin has been respecting this purple line, this strong resistance. From here, you see respect here did not break out and trade in between here, come back here, respect it, here respect and come down, right? So I was expecting it to respect this resistance level until even come around this area, but what happened? It just come down here, and what happened? It just break this line. When it break this line, I know that something is going to happen. Because it's already create liquidity down here. That is going to clear. So when Bitcoin started rising here, you see Bitcoin started rising, and from here, it break the previous strong resistance, which is this one here. Break the previous strong resistance, which is this one here, and as you can see, break it and come up there. Now when it come out there, what happened? Let's go to all day to daily time frame. You know that this market respects key level, right? Now the reason why Bitcoin this market consolidate here for like 2 months was because of this key level. Let's mark it. Was because of this key level. You see, was because of this key level. You see this key level here, it respects it, right? That was the reason why it consolidates here for about 2 months and then break down. This time around, when Bitcoin come back, it moved back and break this previous strong resistance level, break this strong key level. This is a strong key level, and this is also a strong key level. Then Bitcoin break these two here. Come up here, right? Now coming up here, this is another resistance that we are seeing. Wait, people are disturbing me with, Now this is another level where we are expecting Bitcoin. Now this thing here is like a key level, but not, I can't really say it's a key level. This place here, because this is where the market consolidates. So Bitcoin can actually come back and consolidate around this area, and that is at what price? At $27,000. So where the major key level is again is here, which is $41,000. Right? This is where another major key level is again. This place here, coming here like this. This is here, and that is $40,000. That is at $40,000. Now there's another confluence here again. Look at this indicator here. This indicator here is this indicator already come back and create yearly high. This is yearly high. That means Bitcoin will come back and touch this level, touch this yearly high before Bitcoin will go back. Now, if you check where this market creates yearly high, there's a strong key level here, there's a key level here, there's a key level here, there's a key level here. Okay, so the question is, will Bitcoin enter $40,000? Because the previous key level, the major key level here that Bitcoin would have hit there and bounce back, Bitcoin break that strong key level and strong resistance, break that strong resistance, right? So as Bitcoin break this strong resistance, what happens? It does not just start going up or start coming down. Bitcoin is creating another, is ranging here. This is 1 day time frame. So for like 1 to 3 days now, Bitcoin has been consolidating here. If you come back to 1 hour, come back to 4 hours, 4 hours time frame now, you see that Bitcoin is consolidating here. You see it's going up, touching here, coming down, touching here, coming down, come back and touch it again, and it's coming down to touch down to $23,000 to $33,000 again. So we all know that we don't trade ranging market, but something fishy is about to happen here. Let me tell you guys something. If this market break out of this structure here, out of this ranging here, if the market break and start going up, what is going to happen? Let's just consider Bitcoin entering $48,000 or even $50,000, rejecting at $50,000. Okay, but if Bitcoin break down, started coming down, what is going to happen? There's going to be a crazy dip. There's going to be a very crazy dip that will even come down to monthly low, coming down to monthly low. It will come back and retest from the monthly low here, because if you start coming down, but let me tell you something. There's another thing. Is it bull run? The only thing that could make the market start continue rising, maybe like after that $45,000, and that's maybe like bull run is back. But if bull run is not back, you see this rising, this crazy rising that Bitcoin rise here, right? The way as you see this crazy rising, right? It's supposed to do what? It's supposed to come back and clear this and come down. It's supposed to come back and clear it. But what is going to happen? We all know that we don't trade ranging market, so we are going to wait. Let the market range and give us a direction where Bitcoin is going. From there we enter. Okay, from there we enter. So you need to keep your eye on Bitcoin. All eyes on Bitcoin. And another one again, I'm supposed to see. Look at this sharp rejection. Let me mark it here. Look at this sharp rejection. Let me delete this. Look at this sharp rejection. This rejection you are seeing here. You see that sharp rejection, that sharp wick, right? You see that the market creates sharp wick, come back, and what happened? Cover it. Whenever that sharp wick creates, the market is telling you that in future it's going to come back and cover that thing. That is the same thing I'm using for this coin. You see this sharp wick that the market creates here. This TRB is coming back to cover this thing. Come back and play around this area. So this market is coming to come down, to touch down here to $94 before it will retrace, go back. Now, I was expecting, if it is something that Bitcoin will come down, I was expecting Bitcoin to give us a sharp wick here also. Peep. A sharp wick here. We all know that, okay, in the future, or maybe like in the next how many weeks or months, Bitcoin is going to come back, trace it. But as Bitcoin will create any one of these and giving me a you know, kind of um views are that Bitcoin is going to, that the market is going to continue rising. Like, so guys, what I'm going to tell, what I have to tell you guys in this video is all eyes on Bitcoin. All eyes on Bitcoin. Don't trade the ranging market. Don't trade the ranging market. Okay, don't trade the ranging market. But let's keep our eye on Bitcoin and see what is going to happen. But let's be expecting that Bitcoin will hit $40,000 because of what happened here. Because of what happened here. You know that market is not 100% predicted, all of that. So thank you. If you're watching this video for the first time, coming across my YouTube channel for the first time, please make sure you subscribe. I really appreciate you guys.